So hello, my name is Marie Drago and I'm the founder of Galinée Microbiome Skincare. It all started because I trained as an industrial pharmacist, and 15 years ago I got diagnosed with a really rare autoimmune disease. And because I was a pharmacist, I was always reading about the science of it and reading science articles. And one day I discovered that it was linked to the microbiome. And microbiome was very new, and I decided to create my company based on it. And being a pharmacist really helped me understand the science, because microbiome is microbiology, physiology, DNA, everything. And also create my company, because as a pharmacist you can formulate, you can know manufacturing, you can do quality, regulation, legal. So like pharmacy was the best study for me to be able to do what I did today. So when I started my thesis, I originally did it because I wanted to learn more about skin microbiome, because at the time there was only 5 published articles speaking about skin microbiome. And in my training in pharmacy, I always learned that bacteria were bad. And suddenly, like what was the most surprising for me was that 95% of the bacteria on your skin are good for you, and they help you at every level: skin barrier, skin immunity, like chemistry of the skin, defense, protection, everything. And I remember being like, wow, that was really a good moment, like discovering just another world, and it's literally under your nose. And every day I still love it. It was really interesting being a pharmacist, just to go from the idea to the actual product, because I had the idea in my head that I wanted to feed your skin bacteria, and that's never been done before. So I had to hunt for ingredients and understand the chemistry and the biology of the ingredients. And then I had to brief a lab, explaining them that for the first time they were not going to kill bacteria in the product, they were going to help grow bacteria. And so we discussed a lot about the formulation, how it's supposed to feel, and then we had to manufacture. And something, again, it helped a lot to be a pharmacist, because I understood quality control and quality assurance. And you needed the lab and the factory to be extremely clean to be able to do what I wanted. So I love being a pharmacist, because whatever the question and whatever the problem, we know a little bit about it and we understand a lot. And every day it helps me. So I trained as an industrial pharmacist, which means that I was trained on the 2 most important things for me are always safety and efficacy. And that translates actually really well in dermocosmetics, because I want the product to be very safe and I want the product to be very efficient. It's not all beauty brands that do that, but for me it's the most important. So that goes from efficacy of not only the active ingredient when I formulate, but everything that goes around the active ingredient have to be neutral for the skin, good for the microbiome, and easy to formulate with. So yeah, safety, efficacy, that's like the founding principle of pharmacy, and that's what, in my opinion, makes good cosmetic products. So the thing I would like people to think about when they think about microbiome and health is that we've been trained to look at bacteria only where there was problems, acne, eczema. And I think we should start to see bacteria as a solution in the same disease. So acne, eczema, psoriasis. Yes, some bacteria cause the problem, but they can also, some other one can actually be the solution, and that's opening a brand new world. And the other thing is that I really like being a pharmacist. I didn't really like the studies, to be honest, but I use my pharmacy studies every single day because I'm curious about everything. I can understand a lot of science concepts, and I understand the market, and I know the consumer. And that's like all together gives me something that no one else in my field has. And that actually, if you want to create a brand, or if you want to work in cosmetics, or if you want to do marketing or anything, I was able to do everything in my career. I've been trainer, I've been sales manager, I've been business development manager, I've been creating brand, I've been formulating, I can talk to science congresses, and all of that just because I did pharmacy studies. So yeah, it's good studies.